Look at that shine. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shine right there. Glistening off the car. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out the new product line by Lithium. We have Gloss Sauce, Luster Lube, and Seal and Squeal. Some of these names are funky. I have instructions on how to do this. This is a 1991 Mercedes-Benz. We're going to check it out. We're going to focusing on a certain section of the car right here. I'm going to check out how well this stuff is. We have an apply pad here. We have some microfiber, exactly what the instruction says to do. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, this is a really bad area. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to wash this area at all because I want to see how well this stuff actually works. So we're going to be checking out the Luster Lube right now, and we're going to prepare this area here. Wow, that's impressive. We'll go a little higher too, why not? Wow, holy crap. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh my God. We're gonna go higher. I can't believe it. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Holy crap, totally. That's ridiculous. I'm blown away. Let's go over it again. And remember, I am not preparing this surface at all. I'm just using this Luster Lube right over the existing area. Holy crap. I'm going down the whole quarter panel here. You can't see it, but I'm doing it. This is amazing. This is absolutely freaking amazing. Okay, now we're going to be doing Seal and Squeal. We're going to use an applicator with this as well. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's actually a blue color. And this is pretty impressive, actually. It says wait 20 to 30 minutes before I take it off. I'm going in circle motions. I don't like the back and forth. I guess I could do back and forth. Who cares? We'll do exactly what they say. Let me add some more. We're going to do the whole quarter panel, but you're only seeing the section I was working on. This is absolutely amazing. We're going to go higher, too. We're going to probably pull back on the camera a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. All right, let's buff this out. I don't know about you guys, but this thing looks unbelievable. I'm not sure if you remember what it looked like beforehand. It was just terrible. This looks awesome. Definitely gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. I can see some gloss, I can see some shine on that area. Jesus Christmas. All right, as you can clearly see, this stuff is incredible. Look at the shine. I mean, it's a white car, so it's very difficult to see, but you remember what it looked like beforehand. And we only did the quarter panel here. Look, actually you can see a shine here. That's crazy. Look at that shine. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shine right there. Glistening off the car. I did do the gloss sauce. Just so you know, I did the gloss sauce. And I did the seal and squeal first, and then I did the gloss sauce afterwards. I didn't wait 24 hours. I didn't want to wait. Glad I didn't. It's amazing, people. It's absolutely amazing. This gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. Wish it was a different color car because you could probably see it a heck of a lot better, but holy crap, people, this is amazing. I'm sweating profusely. It's 94 degrees outside and I'm a mess. Just so you can see, look at my shirt. Nice, huh? I'm sweating. Oh God. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe. Please share this as much as you can. This video deserves to be shown. Take care, guys. You can clearly see the difference. No washing, no nothing, just as is. Unbelievable.